So after you do the self-adjustment with the knee to the chest, you're gonna do similar to what we did on the table. So your feet are apart, knees are apart, and you're gonna squeeze into your hands. So again, my knees are going out, but I'm stopping them from moving with my hands. 6-second hold here, really hard, as hard as you can. Then bring your knees and feet together and push in, again, like you're trying to move out.
So both times I'm trying to go out but resisting.
Yes.
Okay.
6-second hold each. And then you're gonna put something between, probably like this, because you want your feet to stay together.
Okay.
And then you're gonna squeeze as hard as you can. And you might feel that little pop in the pubic area just like you did earlier.
Okay.
Okay? That's it.